So in this demo, we're going to look at the idea of torque. I'm going to try to hold this stick here like that, and what I'm going to do is hang this weight at different points. So starting with this hook right here. So why are we dealing with torque? Now this weight has, as I suggested, some weight, right? It has a mass, gravity is pulling it down, so it has a certain force that's acting on it because of gravity. So when I put this right here, there is a force going downward, but now we have to think about torque. So torque is R cross F, right? So the R, you start off at the point of rotation, which is here, and you draw a vector to this point, so from here to there. And then from that point down, you have a force, right? It's a force of gravity or weight in this case. So what's happening is there's a torque, R cross F, towards me that is trying to rotate the stick downward, right? So that's what I'm trying to counter with my grip. Holding it here, I'm trying to counter that torque that is trying to rotate this. What's interesting is that if you go further away, you still have the same weight, I'm not changing that, but now the difference is it's further away. And as you can see, it's more difficult to hold it up because now it's producing more torque just by being further away. And this is to illustrate torque is R cross F, right? So again, from this point, you draw the vector to the place where the force is acting, so R cross F, but because that R is larger, you're producing more of a torque. So that makes it more difficult to hold up the stick when this object is hanging right here. It's going to need two hands to hold it up because it's producing quite a bit of torque. So this is a demo showing you how torque works.